Good morning to everyone, dear all students. Myself, Dr. Arun Yadav, guest faculty, Pathology Department, LBS Medical College, Prayagraj. Hope that you are safe at home. I am aware that in this situation of lockdown, your studies are getting affected. Under noble guidance of our respected principal ma'am, teaching in charge ma'am, LBS Pathology faculty managing online classes. First of all, we should follow rules and regulations for COVID-19. Today I will discuss with you on virology, and today's topic will be general properties of viruses. We know that there are two types of cells depending on their complexity. As eukaryotes like protozoa and fungi, and prokaryotes like bacteria, mycoplasma. Even simplest microorganisms are cells enclosed between cell wall containing both type of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, synthesizing their own micromolecular constituents and multiply by binary fission. It means all cells have their own cellular organization and enzyme machinery and contain DNA and RNA. In case of viruses, they do not have their organization. It means mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleolus, etc. And viruses contain only one type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, but never both. Due to lack of their own cellular organization and enzyme system, they are obligate intracellular parasites. Viruses lack the enzyme necessary for protein and nucleic acid synthesis, and they depends for replication and synthetic machinery of host cells. Viruses occupy twig-like zone that separate the living from non-living. Viruses parasite on all types of organisms. They infect animals, plants, bacteria, algae, and insects. Law of 1957 defined viruses as viruses are infectious, potentially pathogenic nucleoprotein with only one type of nucleic acid which reproduce from their genetic material, unable to growth and divide of enzymes. In the same way, Luria and Darnell 1968 defined viruses as follows. Viruses are entities whole genome of which are elements of nucleic acid that replicate inside the living cells using the cellular synthetic machinery and causing the synthesis of specialized elements that can transfer the viral genome to other cells. Now we discuss the characters of viruses by Lowes and Turners in 1962. According to them, all are potentially infectious. Second, presence of single nucleic acid. Third, incapability to grow the genetic material. Only the reproduction from the genetic material only. Absence of enzymes for energy metabolism. Absence of ribosomes. Absence of information for the production of enzymes in the energy cycle. Absence of information for the synthesis of ribosomal protein, and absence of information for the synthesis ribosomal RNA and soluble tRNA. In 1935, Stanley crystallized virus-like chemicals. It's mean in 1935, Stanley Miller crystallized the TMB virus just like chemicals. Now we will discuss about morphology of viruses. First half shape. There are different shapes of viruses: sphenoid, cuboidal, elongated, filamentous size. The size of viruses vary from 20 nanometer to 300 nanometer in diameter. Now come to the viral structure. Complete assembly of infectious particle is known as virion. A virion consists of nucleic acid core surrounded by protein coat or capsid. The complete set of virion is known as nucleocapsid. Nucleocapsid may be naked or enveloped by a loose covering. The capsid composed of a large number of subunits known as capsomeres. It means capsid is composed of monomers of or subunits of capsomeres. Now come to the chemical nature of envelope. Chemically, the envelope is made up of proteins and glycoproteins. Due to presence of lipid, the envelope is flexible and loose. Envelope is composed of both host and viral components. It means protein, virus specific, and carbohydrate is the host specific. There are certain projections on the envelope known as spikes, which are arranged into distinct units. Now we come to nucleic acid. We know that virus contain only one type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, and nucleic acid may be single stranded or double stranded. Nucleic acid may be linear or circular. Now come to the protein part. In the viruses, protein part are grouped into 4 types. First, envelope, both viral and host. Second, nucleocapsid, means structural protein. Third type of protein, core protein. Core protein found in the nucleic acid. And fourth group is viral enzymes. In viruses, there are some enzymes present, just like RNase or reverse transcriptase. Now come to the carbohydrates. We know that carbohydrate is also found in viruses. A substantial amount of carbohydrate is specified by either host cell as arbovirus or viral genome as vaccinevirus is found in viral envelope. The carbohydrate part may be galactose, mannose, glucose, glucosamine are found in the influenza virus. The carbohydrates are hexose and hexaminase which are present in form of glycoprotein.